there's an incident of the life of the Prophet ﷺ. Once he asked Hazrat Abdullah ibn Mas'ud radiyallahu ta'ala anhu that recite to me some part of Quran. He said, should I recite Quran unto you, O Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, O Messenger of Allah? It has been revealed to you. He said, no, but I, like to hear it from others also. Then he started reciting Surah An-Nisa from the very beginning. When he reached this ayah, فَكَيْفَ إِذَا جِئْنَا مِنْ كُلِّ أُمَّةٍ بِشَهِيدٍ وَجِئْنَا بِكَ عَلَىٰ هَٰؤُلَاءِ. What will happen on that day? When we shall bring forth from every community one witness against them, and we shall bring you, O Muhammad, as witness against these people. The Prophet said, Hasbuk, Hasbuk. Stop here, stop here. And Abdullah ibn Mas'ud says, when I raised my neck, my head, and saw, he was weeping. Tears were flowing down his eyes of the Prophet. I will have to testify against these people on the day of judgment. This is Allah.